welcome back. My name is David Blissett, and in this video we're going to be detailing how to use what are known as blend trees. Now, up until this point we have states and we have transition between states, which allows us to be able to say go from doing a walk to a feeding or turning right, turning left, so on and so forth. But there's actually a better way to be able to drive your animations, and as such we'll be using blend trees. So the first thing we want to do is let's see if we can override the current configuration that we've got. We're pretty much happy with what we've done so far, so we don't need to delete that. All we need to do is assign a different controller, animation controller, to the character. So what we'll do is create animation controller, and we'll go ahead and call this JSON blend trees 1. Okay, so we click the character and override that controller, and now we'll go in and set up a base state. So we're going to want an animation here. Let's go with an idle of some sort. So that's going to be the default animation state. And what we're going to want to do is right click, create state, new from blend tree. And we're going to override that name, and we're going to call this locomotion. Okay, the next thing is to make a transition over to that locomotion state. And as far as parameters are concerned, we're going to want to have a float parameter called speed. From there, we can now drill down into the state for this specific blend tree, and we're going to create a new motion field, and we're going to call that's going to be for the walk, and we're going to have a second motion field that we're going to blend with, and that's going to be for the run. So what we now need to bring in is the actual animations that are going to be used for those two states. So the first one is going to be the walk, and the second one is going to be the run. So if I go ahead and play this now, I can go ahead and increase the speed at which the character is running. Let's see if we can get another character going in here. So there's our character now running. Let's zoom back. And I can blend between a walk. So there's the character doing a walk. Halfway through, he's doing a bit of a jog. And then all the way up to 1, and he's doing a run. So that is the base, or the most simplest implementation of a blend tree. All right, so we're going to stop the video here and pick things up in the next clip. Thanks for watching.